The diagrams below show the portion of another class mural that Jocelyn was supposed to paint and how much she actually did paint. Use the pictures to answer the questions that follow. So before we read the questions, let's take a look. So we're given two diagrams. This says diagrams. I could see them underneath. And one of them says she was supposed to paint. And the other one, let's see, is actually painted. So we're being asked to use those pictures. So we're going to look at them, use those pictures to answer the question. So now let's look at the questions. Approximately what portion of the painting was Josephine supposed to paint? Analyzing the directions, it says again approximately and what portion. So you don't have to be exactly accurate, but you want to make a decision. And they're specifically asking for the supposed to paint, which is this. So this is the total mural, and you could see the portion. So go ahead and pause the video and answer A. Again, approximately portion. What does it look like to you? So moving on to letter B, it says approximately what fraction of her assigned portion did Josephine actually complete? So going back to the word actually complete, now I need to look at or actually painted. So it's going to be that one that they're asking us. So approximately what fraction of her assigned portion, and she was assigned this much, like that was example A. So to answer example B, I need to compare with the what she was assigned to do. So how does it relate to this? So what do you guys see? Approximately, right? So to me it looks like she did 1/2 of what she was assigned. So go ahead and pause the video and write that down. So moving on to letter C, write a product to show what portion of the mural Josephine actually painted. So product means multiplication, so we're writing a multiplication product that we are showing this time for the whole mural, right? So what she was actually painted. So we're gonna compare what she actually painted, which is still that, compared to the whole thing, and then to what she started. So for letter C, we want to write a product or multiplication. So she was supposed to paint 1/4 of the mural. However, she actually painted half of it. So basically the 1/4 was the approximation from letter A. The 1/2 was the approximation from letter B. Now together we're using product to see how much is that of the actual total. So it looks like it's 1 out of 8 of the actual mural. So mural. And we could also kind of count it. So if we do 1/4 first, and then we divided it into the other ones, we could see that 1 out of 8, which is what she painted. So there's the 1 and there's 8 total. So that concludes this problem.